In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make money from the bathroom. Okay, no, but seriously, I'm going to be showing you why my shower curtains gave me an amazing money idea from the bathroom. It's weird, but you guys are going to like it. All right, let's jump into it. If you're not new to this channel, first of all, my name is Diamond Chanel, and you know that we talk about all things money. But more importantly, if you've been here before, then you know how much I love a good Etsy business, okay? So I'm going to show you how I got super inspired in the bathroom by my shower curtains. And by the end of this video, I'm going to inspire you on how you can start creating different products like shower curtains in order to sell them on marketplaces like Etsy and start making some passive income. If you're excited for this video like I am, I need you guys to leave me your favorite emoji in the comment section below. And I also need y'all to go ahead and like this video. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna go through the process and show you how you can start making money on Etsy through different products like shower curtains or any type of product that you could basically think of. Okay, let's get into it. So after having this epiphany, if you will, I went over to Etsy and I typed in shower curtains because I wanted to see if there was a market of people who actually went on Etsy to purchase shower curtains. And of course, people on Etsy purchase anything, guys. So this is a simple design that I found that was selling for $54, $54.99 to be exact. And it is abstract art print shower curtain. Also, this seems to be a new seller and they have about 30 sales. And you can see that they offer a bunch of different designs to choose from as well, which is another great tip. So when you're doing any type of print on demand business, you want to offer multiple designs. But of course, I'm going to show you some examples. Just hang on with me here. So I just wanted to show you some of the designs that this shop has. And when you have multiple different designs, you get a better chance of selling. Now, this is another shower curtain from a different shop, and this one is almost selling for $70, $68.99 to be exact, and it's giving more of a luxury feel. This is another shop, I believe this is the same shop that is also selling other designs. So where should you get your designs? Of course, I've got you guys. This is my favorite website to get graphics. It's called Creative Fab. I will link it in the description below, and you can find so many different fonts, so many different designs, and they are all ready for commercial use, which means yes, you can use them to sell, which means that you will not get copyrighted if you use these. So it's super easy to get these graphics. All I have to do is click on download, and then it will download directly to my computer. And so I picked a couple of different designs, and I'm going to show you how do you actually put your design on a shower curtain. So we're going to go over to Printify, and this is where I found different bathroom items. So this is also a good idea that you don't only have to do shower curtains, you can do floor mats and just so many other things, anything that you could think of really. But I want to break down the cost and how much profit you can look towards making with this type of business before we get into the designing part. So there's a few factors that we need to add in. We need to add cost, revenue, and sales in order to figure out our profit. So I'm going to take y'all through a little bit of retail math. So stick with me. I know math isn't sexy, but I promise that it's going to be very informative. So let's start off with our cost. We're going to look at how much it costs to print the product and how much it costs to ship the product. So we have that the cost is going to be $37.09 plus the shipping. And then we have that we can actually start selling these products for $68.89 because other shops are doing that. So that is our potential revenue that we can start making from this. And then we'll talk about our sales a little bit later. We'll get into that. So in order to figure out our profit, we need to do revenue minus cost, and that equals our profit. So our profit per sale is going to be around $26.51, which is an amazing margin markup. Okay, so you could be making about $26 per sale, and then let's say we want to make $200 per day divided by that $26, and that tells us that we need to make roughly 7 to 8 sales every day, which is not that difficult to do. Okay, so now just going back to it, our goal is going to be making 7 sales a day on Etsy and that will bring us to our $200 a day. And that will be bringing us in about $6,000 worth of passive income every month. So now we're going to click on Start Designing. Now listen to me clear so that I can explain the process so that you're not confused about how this will work. This website, Printify, prints the product and ships the product for you, which means you never, ever, ever have to ship the product. Your job is simply to get the customer. Once you get the customer, you can either manually or set it up automatically where Printify will then get your customers' information, their shipping address, everything like that, and they will ship and send the shower curtain to your customer. So I hope that that is clear. If you have questions, just talk to me in the comments. Now, what we're doing here is adjusting our design that we got from Creative Fab, and I'm going to show you a preview of what this will look like in a second. So I want you to notice something as well. I want to see if you all can spot the difference. So this is what our preview will look like. This is how the shower curtain is going to come out, and we can use this stock photo in order to start selling the product on Etsy. Now, this is another design from a shop. Can you spot the difference? They're also using Printify to sell their designs because we can tell it's the same exact stock photo. But anyways, this is another design that I decided to do, and I'm going to show you how that turns out as well. This is our preview, and again, these are images that you can use to go ahead and sell your design on Etsy and start making some passive income. If you've been enjoying this video, I have some really exciting news to tell you. Since I love talking about Etsy so much and I have so many questions about how to set up an Etsy shop, what products you should be selling, everything that you need to know about how to actually win on Etsy, I am creating something really, really special for you all that's going to give you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can start winning and making passive income all on Etsy, and this will not require you to do any real marketing, and I'm going to just get into all of that and all that you need to do to get started making money on that platform. If that is something that you think that you're interested in, I need you to go to the link in my description below. It's going to take you to my website, and I want you all to sign up. Signing up is free so that I can keep you in the loop in terms of this really cool surprise that I'm going to have for you all in regards to building your Etsy shop. All right, so I need you guys, go in the description box and it's going to say making money with Etsy. Okay, click that link, sign up with me, give me your name, give me your email, and I'm going to keep you in the loop, and it's going to be really exciting. Anyways, I thank you guys so much for watching this video, for getting into it to the end. And if I've inspired you, please let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like this video. Now, by the way, you're probably going to want to know some more ways to make money, so you should check out these videos here.